Palm Springs. Say hi, Stormy. Hi. Oh, that looks good. We're in Palm Springs for the weekend, just the next few days. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys a quick house tour of our Airbnb. Right, walk through the door. This is the living room. Went for like a desert chic interior. Huge TV and surround sound. This is the dining room, which looks out into the backyard. Beautiful pool outside. This is our kitchen. Really cute little open concept kitchen. You can cook, look out into the living room, and then you can look out into the backyard while you're doing dishes. This is one of the bathrooms. This is what I like to call the llama room because it's llama themed. Cute little llama trinket dish, like llama artwork. Really cute and cozy room. This is the twin bedroom. I think this is actually the biggest room. And every room comes with a TV. It has Roku and Netflix. This is the master bedroom. Beautiful floor length mirror and ensuite. From the master bedroom, you can actually open the door. And you have this beautiful backyard with mountain views. Yes, ma'am, can I help you? It's so nice out today. We're gonna go for a swim. Hey, Chloe. Oh, who's having a great time? Please don't go in the pool because I don't want to have to give you a bath.
Bye.
Good morning. Where are we going? Going to get bagels?
Townie Bagels.
We're going to Townie Bagels. Last time we tried to go there, it was all sold out. So that was a fail. So we're going to try again today.
Because it's illegal to have it open.
Oh.
There's a line going around, they'll drop it.
I don't know. It's good, but I don't know if it's that good. show you guys some beauty products that I just got. Merit Beauty just sent me a bunch of products to try out, and I'm super excited. I've been wearing their stuff for a couple of days now. With your first order, they actually give you this cute little like travel bag. It's just like a little cloth bag, and you just tie it up like this. And all of their stuff is like all clean ingredients, vegan, cruelty-free, and their packaging is just so beautiful. I'm actually gonna use like a mix of their products and my own and just do like a really quick, minimal makeup look. I had already applied sunblock earlier, but I'm gonna add some more since it's been a few hours since I did that. And I'm using here my Unseen Sunscreen from Supergoop, my normal concealer routine, so no foundation today. One of the products that Merit sent me was this Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. So it's like somewhere between like foundation and concealer, and they were out of the color that I wanted for concealer and foundation purposes. I was able to get this darker color which can act as like a sculpting stick. So this is the packaging, and it's so pretty. I love like the blue color and the gold lettering. And then this is what the product looks like. It's so sleek and minimal. I just love this packaging design, and then it comes in like a little stick form. So I'm just gonna do this where I would contour. The color I think is a little bit orange, but once I blend it out, it actually doesn't look too bad. So it goes on pretty smoothly, and it is, I think, less wet than I had imagined. This is their Flush Balm, so it's like a cream blush stick, and this is what that looks like. So cute. It looks like a little chonky thing. And yeah, I think you just like apply it straight onto the cheeks. I'm just gonna take a wet sponge and blend everything out, starting with the lightest colors first. So now that I have all the concealer blended, I'm gonna do my contour next. Just gonna blend it towards the outer edges of your face. And I think I want some more blush. Add that and use my finger to pat it in and some of my nose. I'm starting to crease a little bit. I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Next, I'm gonna use their brow product. This is the volumizing pomade. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so beautiful, but I was kind of confused because the wand is actually the bigger side, and this is like how much product you have. But I actually really like this product. It just looks really, really, really natural. Super easy to use, and the color is like definitely buildable. I brought my Rare Beauty highlighter, and I'm just gonna add a little bit to my cheeks, my nose, and I'm gonna add a little bit too to the inner corners of my eyes. A little bit of eyeliner, and we're gonna smudge it out so it does not have to be perfect. Now I'm gonna use this mascara from Merit. It's called the Clean Lash. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, like this actually gives off a much more like natural look for your lashes. I've been wearing this mascara for the last couple days, and I can say that it definitely doesn't smudge, which is a huge issue for me with mascaras usually. I'm gonna go in for a second coat. This is what the lashes look like. So natural looking, love it. Now I am gonna try one of Merit's new products, which is the Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick. They sent me two colors. One is in Baby, which is like this pinky color, and then one is called L'Avenue, which is more of like a berry color. Both are really beautiful. I'm gonna try on the shade in Baby, and this is what the lipstick looks like. Really cute packaging. It just looks so premium and luxurious. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, and it's super lightweight. It kind of feels like it just blends into your lips, and it's so hydrating. It feels more like a tinted lip balm, and that's what the color looks like. It's like a very like dusty pink color, and I kind of like to tap it a little bit around the edges, give it more of like a diffused, more natural look. That's pretty much the makeup look for today. Let me put in some dry shampoo really quick and bring some life back into this hair. Yeah, so much better. That's the look for today.
30 inches. 39 inches and
39 inches?
Yeah.
I thought you said 30 inches.
30 inches.
You said 39. I was like, wait, that's so much bigger.
30 inches wide by 12 inches, and there's two of those.
And then there's another 21 by 6 right here.
And that's all the doors.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm tired.
Bye.
Love you.
Have a safe flight.
Drive home safe, okay?
Finished work earlier, worked till 12:30 today. I did some chores around the house, like fixing the soap pumps that weren't working, cleaning up some of the kitchen pantry supply. I just finished packing the bedroom. So I'm just sitting down to take a break before I finish packing everything else because I'm probably gonna leave soon. So I guess that kind of like concludes our trip here. Usually when we come to Palm Springs, it's pretty relaxing, but also at the same time, it's like a little bit stressful because there's always something to do at the house. And every time we come, it's been like months since we've seen the house. And inevitably, there's always something falling apart because it is a vacation rental after all. It is always a little bit stressful on the last day because you're like, oh my gosh, what else do I need to do before we leave? And then packing and everything. But this time it was a pretty relaxing trip. So I'm just getting ready to go back to LA now. I've just been watching the weather because it's raining in Los Angeles. Hopefully the rain dies down in the next couple hours on my way back. But it's not really raining here in Palm Springs. It's like pretty sunny out. So yeah, I just got home, made the 2+ hour drive back. I should be unpacking, but I'm unboxing something very exciting. It's my new monitor.